like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel TV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper cat. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in triangle. Now fold this both ends till this point, like this way. This part like this way to make yours. Same way with this one also. Fold these small triangles. This point till this point. And this round part also. And our cat is almost ready. Let's draw eyes and mouth. Now let's take sketch pen and draw eyes and mouth. And the paper cat is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.